Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you the latest and most important stories from South Sudan. Stay tuned and remember to subscribe, like and share the video so that our voice can reach far and wide. Let's go straight to our first headline. Bor County Commissioner issue arrest warrant for global board chairman. According to the information and application wrote by the county commissioner, according to new information from Jonglei State, the commissioner of Bor County at 10 page has issued an arrest warrant for Dr. Angok Gordon, who is the global chairperson of the Bor community worldwide. This comes after Dr. Angok went live on social media and defended the Red Bell Initiative, a group that he described as a community defense forces. In his speech, Dr. Angok said that the Red Bell is not a rebel group, but a community protection system that works to defend civilians, maintain peace, and protect the land from outside threat. And he explained that the group was formed to keep peace, help citizens feel safe, and make sure Bor County stay united and stable. But the commissioner did not agree. He accused Dr. Angok of spreading confusion and disrespecting local authorities. The Bor County office later labeled Dr. Angok as dishonest member of the community, saying he had no right to speak on behalf of Bor people anymore. This issue has caused serious debate among the people. Some support Dr. Angok for standing up for community defense, while others said he should not have spoken against local leader. Many people online are now asking, is this about community defense or about power and politics within Bor leadership? Time will tell. Our second top story, UN said corruption is bleeding South Sudan oil well. Now to Juba, a shocking new report from the United Nations said that corruption is taking away South Sudan oil money, leaving the people poor and suffering. According to the UN, South Sudan earned more than $8 billion since the 2018 peace deal, but only a small part of the money went to hospital, school, or development. The rest, the report say, was taken by political and military elite for personal use. The UN found one example in 2024, a project that was supposed to use $10 million for peace and human rights program, but the money was secretly moved to what the report called a special project under the office of the president. This news has made many South Sudanese citizens very angry. People are asking, why are we still angry? Why are school and hospital not working if our country has billions from oil? The UN is calling for more transparency and for all leaders to be held accountable. Ordinary citizens are saying if corruption continues, peace will remain only a word, not a reality. Let's take a look at another top story. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Honorable Michael McQueen has told Bor community to wait for election. Our third story is also from Bor, where the Minister of Information, Honorable Michael McQueen, recently spoke to the community. When people told him that he is a servant of the people and should do more for them, Honorable McQueen responded clearly and directly. He said, I am not your MP. I am an SPLM MP and cadre. Wait for the election to elect your MPs. This message surprised many, especially those who thought he represented them as a community leader. Some people said it was an honest answer because the system allowed people to choose their MPs during election. Others felt that as a senior official, Honorable Makwe should listen to the people concerned, even if they are not from his constituency. The statement has started another conversation about democracy and representation in South Sudan. Should leaders serve only their political parties, or should they listen to all citizens? And that brought us to our fourth story. 73-year-old former SPLM cadre to address the nation. This is very concerning. In our next story, a 73-year-old former SPLM senior members and leader of the South Sudan Salvation Movement is preparing to speak to the public this coming Sunday, October 26, 2025. He is expected to give his first major address through Lake State media, where he will talk about his new movement, the goal of the organization, and what he believes South Sudan needs to move forward. Sources say that he will focus on peace leadership, reform, and justice for all people, no matter their tribe or background. His upcoming speech has already attracted attention from both supporter and critic. Some believe his age and experience make him the right person to speak truth to power. Others see him as another politician coming back with new word, but no new change. The person that we are talking about is Nyal Deng Nyal. Nyal Deng Nyal is scheduled to be interviewed by one of the media on 26, which is on Friday. It will be October 26, 2025, which is on Sunday. That is what they post on social media. So if you are one of the people who support Nyal Deng Nyal, or you are there just to criticize him, you can join them on that day on October 26, 2025. And that brought us to another story. Question to Honorable Dollar. Dollar is the new governor of Upper Nile. Now a strong question has been raised to Honorable Jacob Dollar, who in his speech called on the Nuer community to stop fighting. People are asking, how can you tell the Nuer people to stop fighting when it is the government force who are bombing their villages? The question is clear. If the government, Salva Kiir government, is the one attacking civilians, why are you asking the victim to stop defending themselves? Many in the community are saying, instead of telling people to stop fighting, the government should first stop the bombing, to stop the violence, and stop provoking communities that are only defending their lives. This question is being discussed widely online. People want real peace, but they said peace cannot come when one side keep attacking and the other side is told to stay silent. So in that matter, new governor Jacob Dollar, his speech is rejected by the Nuer community for saying that Nuer should accept peace rather than defending themselves. So the complaint, or what the Nuer people said in Naser, they say that if you want peace to prevail, a government should stop bombing instead of attacking civilians, burning their villages, using chemical weapons and all that. So if government really need peace, government should start first stopping bombing the civilian. Let's take a look for our sixth story. SPLIO VIP Protection Force arrived safely in Roof Corner. This is good news for Unity State. The SPLIO VIP Protection Force have arrived safely in Roof Corner in Kaljak, Roof Corner County, after facing multiple ambushes from the government SSPDF forces along the way. According to report, the SPLIO troops were traveling under order from a routine movement, but they were attacked several times before reaching their destination. Despite the challenges, the forces thanks both Ngok Dinka and Bull Nuer community for helping them pass safely and peacefully. They were warmly received by Division 4 Commander General Turuk Kor, who welcomed them and praised their discipline. This movement showed that unity and cooperation between communities are still possible, even during political division. It also reminded people that soldiers, whether from the government or opposition, are still brothers, all from one nation. Before we end today's news, let's take a moment to reflect. South Sudan is a rich land, full of natural resources, brave people, and a strong culture. But our biggest challenge is not oil or money. It is leadership, unity, and truth. When leaders fight for power instead of peace, the people suffer. When communities fight each other, enemies from outside take advantage. And when truth is silenced, corruption grows stronger. This is why we, the people, must speak up, stay united, and defend peace with wisdom, not with hate. Let us all pray for understanding among our leader and strength for our youth to choose the right path. Jo banlinga ban right ketin kon alat korodian re which ka South Sudan kan konon yam gorjen o jin deri channel me deri je subscribe la Changfied YouTube channel ka de notification bell deri je twine ko de ler ti de kan chamala shukje ban je to ka leran yam gwaza me je joja gwanu ne na te ka warga mu chagor bor county commissioner o de rami chali ramkel kanite konate bor Michi Latka Global Board Chairman who de Jayan. Kajom Chalat Guasame native Contila Jonglei State, she Commissioner Dungbur County at 10 page Chawarga Chajagor, Warrant for Dr. Ango Gordon Aris Chajagor, Mun Michel Dr. Ango Gordon Call, Ramkel Milakwerk Global Chairperson Kabur Community, Wimon. And we shall go Dr. Ngok Jen Chawak like social media. Red Bell Group la bon ngay kon men chet kenwer way ami ci Red Bell Group wa ci ka defend ci la no ne ti community defend forces te jomo ci jalat ka social media ka jomo ci la doctor angok ci la do ne Red Bell ci Rebel Group no ngay kon di ala Red Bell to ke netin kon ci la jang jene kan ka community protection system te let ko bi kan civilian bi kan ka defend ka bikan mal bikan jatu wano ka bikan mundian bikan gang ke enemy be jega de bararo me de ka benna ko rewidian chala do ne en group me kwa je form ko bi mal be ben ka community dien bika jiwoj bikan ka lok ko ter me bikan nak ka no bikan bor county point bikan gang ka bikan jako bi mal beteten do no chi commissioner she lo commissioner no mo che disagree jana mission me she talk che Dr. Angok chala do rameme Dr. Angok dehagana ki nongo confusion re wichin binami ka local authority ka jodan chalat Chibur County office chikan lado ne Dr. Angok chiranda net ren binami kana shi members ka community dien ka kuja mo teleje chuanko dara right on behalf of Boer people anymore ya jo mo chajalat so mission me jen mo kwa warga kwa la gor ka je warga ambe nywa ya kel gwasme an warga moment cha gor e warga minyu jen wo chawude me chaje lok ne ken ka jodan chalat waraga men menen jena me warga mi cha gore ken kanir kontin kiram dana la county commissioner are wi boron winimi anwo rama me gor ke jen wo de kan yen ka warga mi shikana gor ko charwa jen wo Red Bell Group rami mo connected to la community protection force ka jodan chalat na me de yan linka do bran en chalat ke je no gwa ban wo kamedien gwada mete ga jo mashallah da ji yuwan cikala do ne na kan corruption tira wika South Sudan che yotin kon je ka kaliyat ke che liyat je to ka report mishano ga ji yuwan ala ji United Nation shika report mi di cikan non gwasme kan South Sudan yo kende je ka kadet wa chikan ne de kon chuch ke chan ke tin kon je ga siang be je wika South Sudan chikan kalwa yo tiga ten pan do ne tin kon tila civilian telam je kene ka jom chalat jiu an chikala do ne South Sudan la je kan yo tungwan chikala do no koron kina dangra with the world badak la 2018 e dan kan shi South Sudan chikan yo chok ke 8 billion US dollar chikan ga collect no kan yo to ka yo je ka jap no kan yo ti wa cha jing na te totten korodian yur to long kan chiwo ka dul walon kan chiwo dul gor ka mo kan chiwo ka development dan lat ke chare ki dul kon lat ke ajane kan you the rest of the money wa chika wo kan de kontila politician ka cha ka kamji military ke de ni kan tana te yos kan yin la personal use chika la no you de al kon je ga South Sudan wo kan de ko la politician kan de ni karodiya ci you an chicken record chicken jegane ke ron kin dangro jan dangro de manno take a project machalat project mo che 10 million US dollar 10 million US dollar shakana and project mo a dung peace and human right program no do no kan unity wa ko chagare alaka ka kui a peace and human right program wa chak you tolon kan chwa use on you taning a dia chwa nyo munanga ka kamjal ke special project mit under office of the president self came yadit can you return 10 million US dollar shuka work office kin yadit take a special program lat keken nyen do budan and dak yo pingeje alarm ci na ci South Sudan citizen shi ka riyak lon ka ci loidin ci jat ka shi ka gak ka do budan en cham ka yo ka je akuma kin yadit ke report mi sha no ngaji UN no ko ji wan taken call the record ti kan ka record ki ler ki rwan ti sha gwar pinga ta da na gen yo ka je ji United Nations shol kan kumeno de kana de kan kapar shit ka kwar milet kan jeg de kwar de ja kafke de je luka do budan che mi je chelat ke je mi che kwar che corruption che je lat ke che na che ganak de je gorono jen ba je kaf ka de je te ka do budan la mi shit kan ma je ko ne de kon shoot by the way kan ne de kon tila ordinary citizen la ji de kan ne de kon shoot ni kan long cha jo me cha jalat lar diana bi alen gwase me dung wud mishala me honorable Michael Makwelwes ramla kon right kwiden ichang Michael Makwelwes ramkel mi radical la rointe chirian lo la kala de gwad me chala ro ne cheneke tintere bor ko jen gad bor jang bor jen wache bor community ga jogo no liebe queen kware mo gori no bi at KMP jom chena me lad Minister of Information honorable Michael Makwelwes jen cha right community diana la community board cha jogo no ne go ne o de ne queen MPs ala need to members of parliament de ga ko represent no shi Michael Makwelwes ga jogo no ne ko shi ne te board ga shi no de queen de karudien queen kwarm la MP dien shi Michael Makwelwes ga jogo no ne I am not your MP. Jen she and your MP, she and your members of parliament ku represent ne to contain till a board community and as pele MP jen jodan chelat keje ka kader a chek jonga no lebe election bi akwar no lo duna mon miladia MP duna bi ajo select ki ba je elect ke changa dana ku inquire weben a message mission me che jang che mo che ke ngade de kon shole shiremi jadlo ay ken dear kana gaaj kake ko rami mo mukule la gadien mishit ka wuda me ka jano bolo la no lebe randun danan biya men biya lo kwany la MP dun jagu je no ne me che chon ko Michael Makwelwes tela do jene MP SPLM ka ngai kon no re kuma ka jing chai kwany la kwa represent community do bukule speak on their behalf dong chuchka no but honorable Michael Makwelwes te jona no lianga je lebe randun mitin ka mugor yene korien no lebe kuin kware biya korum biya jo kwany ram dan no lo duna so jenta dan de tin mone men de kulat gwaz me jene ne and kwar mi chaja kwany there jen point there support ni political party de ki there support ni de contila citizen ten kono ko represent chana chop ka ler do dien gwasme chala do ne nyal den nyal te run te jen baro wi de jok la run dep kede chala gwasmen go jen nyal den nyal chelep ke party de ki bon mishala South Sudan Salvation Movement chala do ka chang yan dang ro de bakel nyal den nyal but ke interview ka social media ke leg state media nyal den nyal chala raman men dir kume kim yadit ke kwide ko che kum kim yadit che la jor ka tungwan ti chala da no chala de jek no cha yu chole jang di ala no gor jang ode ka right ke je ko jang kan gor no de wude me de region ka party dun kim yadit gor kan ode ka tikel ka nyal den nyal ke application misha gor mitene ka pinni ti chop ko wal badak no so en war gancha gor gwadamo chala de gwan wona jenishi SPL pinkim yadit chicken direction chicken loose no chikala de wona shi kilm yadi che corruption che ja lawre wika South Sudan nyok chela do na bane che kin yadi chelo no ba national election ba jalat chela do na bane kin yadi gor jen o jen bete ka power chera den che gor mu de te ka power ka kujemo a jen mi jen ka chero da chak bondo den shi kin yadi che kula respond no ne cha gwano mi chela do der no der jen ka par mi jiram go de jen ka par che chu chang na par do de shu register ngoda ba wan material which but che jen choka London ka jo cha kola gwas me ka chen dang ru bakel mi la Sunday wajen bete ke interview ba oraj en ram la citizen ke go der mana te kan yal den yal der jelin ko yal den yal ramimo ne ka jen da wa che SPLA pinkem yadi da wa che je weekend already ka ta dan right ke ka je ta dan shol ken yal den yal ke jen o duni jok bere jow do alien ka so janta dan ci to lerdian gwazman banaling akui honorable Jacob Dollar kwera pa kwanya la new governor ka United State sorry ka panal Jacob Dollar ram mi cha kwanya kir ka gwa kwangshorale Jacob Dollar jen charai gwazman o jogon werno yen e chwa nyinke kume cha ko jogono ne en kume jen nang na din ne te kwale defend road indi ke jogono pal ngada pin wo chwa dun gang yen nakalora bang so jo me cha kame mi government min naka civilian che naka dan naka ke dera gwano de victim de kan meken de kan surrender no yen nakalora bang cha dun gang no mo che chong ko mana lat ke kum kem yadit masaka kan wer community no kana share kan gotti ala koken cha Jacob Dollar cha je reject and right dan cha lado nuari kabe wojo chwa kor chwa run gang pale chwa nyinke kume Ramadan ande jogo no ngum nyinge jika civilian jen kum kirm yadit ko kane ko nakana so jo me mi cha lat cha Jacob Dollar cha je reject mandan en cha lat gwasmene ler di na cha lat gwasme ala VIP protection force SPLA VIP protection force wa chiga chup gwade dan e wokaten SPLA VIP protection force kan chiga shop ka kal jak karup kona county ka kor ka mi cha ka mak wanda tin wanda dobla ka bush de domni me jen kan dor shol ka mi abi antam je jojo gwa en wo ken chiga shop ka kal jak rup kona county ka cha ka lor kume maintain winami shi SPLA troop chikan talwa jen chikan lar ngok dinka community ka chikan talwa jen chikan lar bulnwer community ko chaka loko bika chop gwa dan wogatin atel kor no chaka kan chaka lor division 4 no command general turu kor chaka welcome ka sheka jogo no chilo na te dalun ko kan yan kor kan yan gor no bi anyin ka jen jo dan shor lar ne meni mi jira mi jidit gwa sama ka Changfied YouTube channel gor jeno jin deri channel deri je support deri subscribe ko de notification bell deri je twine kom chete mi shibrech da shama la shibege je kwal dan pa la rech an biya ta kamal bye bye